Okay, I just went down for a drive to get the drive shafts. There's there. I got it there. Now this one is off an RSZ. I don't know if it's gonna fit, but let's hope it does. Yeah, it's 4 degrees and the heating doesn't work. I'm so cold. Morning. It's day 2. Yesterday I had a problem with the Honda. It's cold in this car. The heating doesn't work. It's 2 degrees. Last night I had to go down to 20 miles away from me, over an hour drive down and back, to collect this. This is the second-hand drive shaft, or half shaft, or CV axle, whatever, for a Honda Stream RSZ. That one is off. My one is a Model X. I hope it works. That's all I'm going to say, is I hope it works. But I'm going to go down to him now and hopefully he can fit it. It looks like on this one, the new one that I have, that it looks like the boot is gone on this one, but I have a boot on this one. Okay, that's a rubber glove, right? I understand that's a rubber glove, but underneath there's a boot, and that boot should work if he can. I don't know. I'm just gonna hope that he can do something with it. Anyway, so that's all I can say about that, is that I'm gonna drop that down to him now, and hopefully he will get it sorted and fitted within the next hour or so, and then I can get my car back, because I don't like this Renault Clio. I don't want this Renault Clio. Look at the clocks. Look, watch his clocks. Look. Why does he have stickers? Look, right. 60. There's 100. 60 miles per hour is 100 kilometers per hour. Why does he have a sticker? It's right there. Look, that one. Just why? Why does he have stickers on it? That doesn't make sense. The heating doesn't work. I'm cold, as you can see. How do people do that? I think you can only do that with smoke, can't you? No, I can't do it. Anyway, I'm gonna go down now and hopefully he will sort this out and get it done and sorted, and I will be driving my Stream again. I need to do something else, because if this happens again where I have no car, I don't want something like this. I have 3 kids and they're all young. There's not enough room there for 3 baby seats, so I need something else. This is silly. Just in case this happens again, I need to get another car. Oh, anyway, bye bye. Let's get going. Let's go see my baby. Here's my baby. Okay, more bad news. He wants to take this car off me and give me a Ford Fiesta.
Hey, yo! Bring around the loaner. The loaner?
I don't want the Ford Fiesta. I don't want this, but I'd rather the Ford Fiesta than this. But apparently the Ford Fiesta he's given me doesn't have anything in the window. It doesn't have any tax or NCT or anything. Okay. This is even worse than the other one. And this thing has no tags. None. No tags. It has like, I think it's out of road tax the last few months anyway, and there's no NCT for over a year. NCT is a road test that you have to have as a requirement in Ireland. If you don't have one, the car will be taken away from you, and I have to drive this. Anyway, it has heating! Yeah! Look! But anyway, it's filthy. It's even worse than the old one. There's a baby's bottle. The seats are filthy. Oh, Jesus Christ. I didn't even look in the back. Oh my God. What the hell? God, I don't care. It has heating. Let's have a look at the outside. Oh. Yeah. Okay. It's epoxy Fiesta. I think it's a diesel. I'm not even sure. I think it's a diesel. Yeah, and that's about that. Jesus Christ. Look at the filth of it. Ugh, Jesus. I have to sit on that. Ugh. This is filthy. Look at this. Did a painter live in here or something? Or what the? I'm not even touching that. Oh God, it's molding. Oh, there's mold in there. Better not be mold anywhere else. There's cobwebs. Cobwebs, really. Oh God, I don't even want to be in here. But what can I do? That's what happens when you don't have a car. What the hell is this? Tim Scanlon and friends live in Tokyo. Okay, let's just put that in and see what happens. Turn on. Oh, yeah, I need an engine code. Wait, hold on, let's see does the CD work anyway. You wouldn't need an engine code for the CD. That's only for the radio, isn't it? Maybe? I don't know. CD. CD. No? I don't know. Let's say 2, 1, 3, 2. I don't know. Get off. I'll give it. Anyway, that doesn't work. Oh, my finger feels dirty now. Ugh. Oh, that mold in the seat. I can't even. There better not be mold in the seat. Jesus Christ. Look at the mold. Oh, here, I'm not staying in this car. Oh, God. I'm afraid to touch it. It's disgusting. Oh, Jesus. I'm gonna vomit. I'm afraid to breathe. Okay, so for the rest of the video, I'm gonna leave this up like this for the rest of the video, and I'm gonna go home and then just come back when it's ready. Die! Die! Ugh. Ugh. Antibacterial spray. Die! Die, 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 die! Oh, Jesus. That's going on your hands every time you touch it. Oh, God. Fucking hell. That's vile. Look at that. Look. That's disgusting. Merry Christmas. Jesus. Ugh. It's a little bit better. God, it's disgusting. There you go. turn the heat off. Right, so the reason I sprayed it all down and got rid of all that mold, because mold is very bad for you. If you breathe mold in, it sits in your lungs and grows, and you never get rid of it. So if you have a moldy car or moldy house or something like that, get rid of it as soon as possible. Don't breathe that shit in, it's really bad for you. So yeah, I'm gonna go down and hopefully collect the Honda Stream. Yay! Let's see if it's ready or not. He hasn't rang me to say that this shaft doesn't fit, so I'm assuming it does. I'm assuming everything went to plan. I'm assuming everything is working. So we'll see. We'll see when we get there. Yay! Can't wait to get it back. I'm all excited. It's a bit of a good sign. It's not on the ramp. Can't see it from here, but it's not on the ramp. So I don't see it around the yard even. Unless he's gone out for a drive in it or something, I don't know. But it's not on the ramp. That's a good sign. Let's go get it. He's not getting me fucking Christmas mat either. This is mine. Give me that mat back. It's mine. Did you look at that? We're back in business. I got it back, and the RSZ drive shaft, or half shaft, or axle, CV axle, all that bleeding names, it fits on the Model X, just in case anybody wants to know that. It fits. This is my original one. I'm taking this home with me just to have a, you know, to measure up in case I need a CV joint for the other side. And there's where the outer CV joint was, there's where the inner CV joint was. He took that off and replaced it because the inner CV joint on the spare axle that I got was not working. Well, the boot was gone on it, so he had to take that axle off, take that CV joint off and change the boot. You know, anyway, he done it. He made two bad ones into one good one, which is fantastic. So yeah, I kept this so that I can, and I have the inner CV joint underneath this rag here. I kept all this because I want to have a look into another CV joint or so, just in case something else goes. And yeah, and it's working. Yee, deadly! Can't wait to drive it again. Oh, right. So it seems to be a lot better. That CV joint could have been a lot of that wiggle that I was feeling. I was feeling a lot of different things anyway. It was wiggling so much. It didn't feel. It felt like the whole car was wobbling. It's very hard to explain how it was, but it felt like the whole car was wobbling as you were just driving straight. And if you went over a bump or a pothole or something, the whole car would just go kind of like that. Anyway, so I've done that, and I think there might be still one problem, and I will talk to you about that in a minute. Okay, so I think there might be still a problem, but not the CV joint is working now. Okay, but here, a lot of the CV joint is working now, but I think there might be still a problem with one of the backs, either a bushing or a hub or something might be gone on the back, and then on the front, this is what's happening here. So when you turn your steering wheel, you get this sort of knocking sound. You might not be able to hear it on this, but I'll try. Did you hear that? When you go side to side. Here, I'll turn that radio off. So that's what the other sound is that I'm having. Now I've looked into this and I think it might be a steering rack problem. In Honda Streams, Honda Civics and CR-Vs, as far as I can tell as well, they have the same engine, the same steering racks and everything in them, and the steering rack has this little tiny bushing, not a bushing, it's a plastic, like plastic bushing or plastic separator inside the shaft, where the rack goes, and they break over time. To replace the whole drive shaft, the whole steering shaft, is about €1,700. €1,700 to replace the drive shaft, to replace the steering rack. That's ridiculous. €1,700. Anyway, it might be a specialist type of thing that I might have to leave it into a steering rack fixer person that's good English there. I might have to leave it into somebody like that to actually take apart the steering rack and replace that plastic bushing or plastic separator, washer, whatever it is. That might have to happen. I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, that's the end of the video. Thanks very much for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and thanks very much for anybody that is subscribing lately, because I'm after getting a lot of new subscribers, and I'm really happy with that. Makes me feel good inside. All down here. Okay, anyway, night night. Bye bye. See ya. Love you. Talk to you. See ya.